last 1 week we've been having Mission Plasticos with us here, and I think when you look at the mission or the motto of Mission Plasticos, they say their role is to treat, train and transform. And I think if you look at it now, I think really they've done for us a lot in terms of treating patients. We've had quite a number of complex surgeries that have been done. I think in the past 1 week, I had situations where women who had very, very huge breasts that were causing them a lot of problems, their breasts have been reduced. These are surgeries which were taking between 4 and 6 hours. We've also had patients who have been having burns, who have also been operated on. And some of these surgeries that have basically been performed are very, very complex. You find a patient with a deformity that is affecting the neck, the shoulder region, and even the elbow. And all this were being sorted out in one surgery. You find that surgery going on for several hours. So I think we've been able to, so far, to treat about 23 patients, out of which I think if you look at the number of procedures that have been done, we've done about 51 procedures. This is basically because some of the patients had multiple deformities which had to be corrected during this particular surgery program. One thing that we'd like to appreciate is that this team coming here, one of the things that we achieved is, one, they reduce the backlog for us in terms of the waiting period for patients, because if you operate on about 24 patients within 4 days, this is something that would have done within maybe several weeks. But I think now that the backlog has also been reduced. Secondly, it has also created awareness about the ability of the facility to be able to perform some of this type of procedures. Now people have appreciated that Nakuru has got consultative surgery services, and they're coming. We've got a clinic that runs, and normally we're able to see almost about 30 patients per week in that clinic that we run.
We usually do about 5 to 7 patients in 1 week. And at the moment, we feel like we've been able to accomplish a lot. We've done around 51 procedures this week, and yet we get to do more procedures tomorrow. Our biggest advantage with the Mission Plasticos that came this week is that we got to learn new ways of doing the procedures. They brought their techniques from their side, and we were able to exchange with some of the techniques that we have on this side. We have very many residents who have joined us this week from the University of Nairobi and from Nakuru University. And we've been able to exchange information from, I'll say, 3 different countries at the moment, from Uganda, Kenya, and the USA. And we are really grateful.
We are overwhelmed with the hospitality and the generosity. And though I was here last year on the team, I couldn't wait because I felt I was visiting friends again. The willingness, we work late. When we started, lecture started, 8 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning or so, and then we finished 7, 8 o'clock at night. And the residents all want to stay. If I give them their way, they would want to add 3 more cases and operate to midnight. So there's this willingness to learn, like sponges. The administration has been overwhelmingly generous to us. Whatever we need is there. And most importantly is the surgeons we operate on are very skilled. They have great psychomotor skills, which are very important on how you hold instruments and how you treat tissue during surgery. And you can tell immediately, depending on the country they're at, the learned knowledge that they have and abilities to deal with difficult situations.
Hi, I'm Raj V.S. I'm from University of California, or Irvine in Southern California. I'm excited to be here in Nakuru, Kenya with Mission Plasticos. It's been an absolutely wonderful time. We have such great trainees from the COSEXA program as well as from the University of Nairobi, people from all over different countries, Zimbabwe, Uganda, and it's been really just an enjoyable experience for all of us. I've learned so much